Hello! Hello everyone! I'm gonna be pretending to be a hacker. Guys, the password is the hacker of Roblox. Because I don't need this account. That's the password. Sign up. And if you guys want to, you guys can sub to the channel. Sub to this dude. No, I'm joking. You guys don't have to. If you don't. Okay, so I need to make myself look black. So. Yippee! Take everything off. Skin tone can be black. Advanced. Right leg. Way back. Wait, that's grey, but that'll do. Okay. Let's get into the game. Let's see what we'll do. Robux. Yeah. First, let me just give me some Robux. Okay, just. Oh my god, I have 100 trillion Robux. No way! I have 100 trillion. 100 trillion. 100 trillion. 100 trillion.